C2, geometric sequences, example 4. So here we're asked to find the value of the sum for I equals 10 to 20 of 3 minus 2 over 3 to the power of I. So our first term is going to be when I equals 10, so that's going to give us A. And if we put I equal to 10 into this, we come out with 1024 over 19,683. So that's doing 3 lots of minus 2 over 3 to the power of 10. So that gives us our first term. And of course, our ratio, R, is minus 2 over 3. And our N, well, how many terms is there including 10 and 20? Between 10 and 20, that's actually 11 terms. So we're going to be doing S of N equals A times 1 minus R to the power of N all over 1 minus R. So that's the sum of the first 11 terms is equal to A, which is 1024 over 19,683 times 1 minus R, which is minus 2 over 3 to the power of N, which is 11, all over 1 minus 2 over 3. So if we put that into our calculator, it comes out as 0.03157 562,824. But of course, usually we give it to a certain amount of decimal places, so I'm going to choose 5, so that would be 0.0315825 decimal places. It's a good idea to write down what you fully see in your calculator before you start rounding to a certain amount of decimal places, just in case you make a rounding error. So then you'll still get the mark for writing down what came up in your calculator display, but if you're asked to give it to a certain amount of decimal places, you might lose a mark for the accuracy. But I've given my answer to 5 decimal places.